Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how I built this cat washroom. So this is what my wife found online, which was ridiculously overpriced, and wanted me to have a crack at making one. So as always, using reclaimed timber and thicknessing down all the little bits and pieces that I need, I decided to use dowels to hold this frame together and to try and make it a little bit presentable. Once I had the initial square frame together, basically like a little cupboard, I bought myself some nice birch plywood for sides, sturdy little base, and started putting that together. I found a old piece of chipboard which I could use for the top, and then routed just some nice little soft edges on the outside of that frame. Now the idea behind the washroom is that the kitty litter box goes on the inside and the cat can go in, do their business, and then when they kick up kitty litter, it stays within the box and it sort of keeps a bit of smell in as well. So you can see I've made the little front door, start to give it a fresh coat of white paint, bought some nice gold hardware, and you know what, I actually think that looks pretty good. But then my wife wanted one for herself. The other one was for the mother-in-law. This time I got to make a rustic one, which of course took no time at all. Rough frame, got some old hardwood fence palings for the sides. This one came with a top shelf, so we could stick the bag of kitty litter and other bits and pieces on top of that. And I had made the sides deliberately to fit a tiny little spot we had in our laundry. So you can see, very rustic, especially compared to the other one. But I quite like the rustic look. And that's it all finished. Couple of shelves, basic door, kitty litter fits inside, cat fits inside, and it fits snugly in that little spot in the laundry. Well, I hope you liked it. That was a quick one. Like the video, comment, subscribe, get notifications, or join the shenanigans on my social channels. Thanks very much for watching.